आता खबरो विस्तारान. राज्यपालान आनी राष्ट्रपतीन गोयच्या सरकाराच्या कारभाराचेर लक्ष घालचें. सध्याच्या परिस्थितीन गोंयकारांचेर अत्याचार जायत चल्ला. राज्यांत सरकार हुकुमशाही चलयता. राज्यपाल आनी राष्ट्रपतीन सरकारी कारभाराचेर लक्ष दवरचें म्हण मागणी राष्ट्रवादी काँग्रेसीन केल्या. आरडीएक्स खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
The state of affairs of administration. Nothing is moving. You go around to any office, you go to any public place, nothing is going. Actually, the government has come for a grinding halt. Now, one wonders why such a situation has been brought to. It has been done. It is not that we don't have intelligence, we don't have smart people to govern. There are smart people, but when you have there has to be only one head. You cannot have three heads for a state, and that too three heads from three different dimensions. One is hailing from BJP, one is hailing from Goa Forward, one is coming from NGP, and they have got different views which contrast each other. Maharashtra Goa Party, their only renaissance is that they would like to merge this Goa into Maharashtra. The very nomenclature of Maharashtra Wadi Goa Party speaks for it. And Goa Forward, which is a forward party, is coming backward. There is no interest of one scene. And BJP, which is its own agenda, which is hidden, comes out with the surprises. So what is happening in the country, I am not surprised that the same thing looms down to Goa also, and Goa becomes a place of tragedy. So now, people of Goa wants to know how long this will go. If this present dimension cannot run the government, NCP strongly recommends and urges the governor to step in and dissolve this house and make a free air for a fresh elections. We are also having elections in the parliament which are due in 2019, and it would be very much apt to hold the election of the Goa State Assembly along with the parliament election in the coming year. So a way has to be made out. Let there be a clarity. Let the fresh air be in. If tomorrow BJP really succeeds, they can have a government of their own. Why be worried? But this hodgepodge government with a headless state, there is no head practically. Strongly demands that urges the government, the governor of Goa, and we will be also petitioning beside the governor, also petitioning the President of India to step in and finish whatever the hardship of Goans, and let there be a political stability, let there be fresh air in, give a democracy an opportunity, let the democracy prevail. Right now there is no democracy like our country part, so also in Goa, we don't see a tinge of democracy, any point of democracy in Goa which is happening. It is happening at somebody's fiefdom. If somebody just feels I want to do this, the Goa has to suffer, it happens to it. Somebody feels that the Goa should not wear bikini in beach, then there's a dress. Somebody gives a dress code, somebody gives us, you should eat this, you should not eat that. Whether I should have a bread or whether I should have a chapati, this has been determined at the wishes and whims of some fanatic people which are dominating or which are ruling this Goa today.